met in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. That was year 1995. I'm working at the hospital and he's working in a company of Pepsi company.
"25 years in a relationship is no joke, especially for this time.
Okay kami ni Ray, pero syempre, hindi mo maiwasan sometimes may mga misunderstanding, pero natural lang yun sa mag-asawa, di ba? And then we fix it, kaagad-agad. Kung may sasabihin ako sa kanya, nakikinig naman siya.
I don't have any regrets for 25 years with Pimping, actually 26 years. Because sinagot niya ako ng December 25, 1998. And we married on December 21, 1999.
Hindi niya ako sinasagot. Yung aalis na lang siya, tapos at the end of the day, hindi siya mag-feel comfortable na hindi kami nag-uusap.
Hindi naman ako mukhang babaero. Mukha lang. Thanks God. I mean, everything has given to me. At the time we married, I'm already counting the days, the years that we will going to be with each other together. Whatever, how many children actually, we're planning for 5. But the God has given us 2 children, which is I'm very grateful and so happy having my 2 children, especially Patricia is actually a special child. But that is the way it is. Because whatever God is giving to you, accept it.
Kung ano yung gusto namin, lalong-lalo yung mga anak niya, talagang ibibigay niya yon. Grabe. Talagang mahal na mahal niya yung mga anak niya.
I love my family. I love my wife, especially my wife. She's my steel, and she will always be in my heart. And I always love her.
So, Daddy, sorry sometimes kasi nai-stress din ako pag maraming iniisip. Siguro hindi niya rin alam na, siyempre sa bahay, kung wala siya, ako lang lahat.
You're my best friend. You're my loved one. You're the mother of our 2 children, which is our love most.
So sometimes tumatawag siya, hindi ko masagot. Siyempre nagtatampo siya. So sorry, Daddy, kasi minsan busy din.
Just be strong. Everything, kung anong dumating sa buhay natin, dun sa lakas ng loob ko, binibigyan ako ni Lord ng tapang para harapin lahat ang mga pangyayari sa buhay natin at matagumpayanan ko whatever ang kalalabasan nito at na magandang kalalabasan nito. Bilang na ako para sa pagdating ng panahon at na hindi tayo makatayo at magugod na is meron tayong mahuhugot para sa ating pangangailangan, sa ating health.
he is a good provider and a loving husband.
Ga, I love you so much, and I always will.